Hi, thanks for stopping at Hawkins Heights Garage. Today we're doing a electronics video. We're repairing a screen on a Samsung Chromebook. So we're down here in the basement. This is where I usually do all my electronic repairs and maintenance items. So let's go ahead and dig into this. Actually, I'm gonna...
And I wouldn't either.
Really? I would. But again,
Also, but yeah, I guess he would be a solid. You know, if he could be a backup, I think that'd be.
probably breaking the bevel here. But at this point, it'll be better. Yeah, we're good. It's just popping it out. If the battery goes dead or anything, just let me know and we'll stop and we'll keep moving. I got more batteries on charge upstairs. If you want to borrow that camera sometime for videoing, you're more than welcome to. I got 2 of them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I'll go back in the behind it. There it goes. There we go. Let's see. Get right back in here. There we go. Oh, okay. I had this thing turned off. Apparently not. Alright, there we go.
Perfect screen.
Let's see if I have a... So it's just standard just a standard cell phone toolkit pieces, parts. Oh, I see. That flips up. It has to come in from this way. Okay. So you got to flip this up, and then it slides out. Did you get? Are you turning it on and off? You can just let it run.
Oh, I'm zooming in and out.
Oh, okay, cool, cool. Anyway, so there's the screen. Let's see if our replacement's the same. Looks the same there. Looks the same there. So,
yeah.
All right, we'll flip this up. We'll slide it in here. It's locked in.
Man, those screws really are tiny.
Easy to lose. I've lost a lot of them. So you start with 4 and you end up with 3. Well, what's the saying? If 3 wouldn't have held it, 4 never would have.
Fair enough, yeah. I mean.
All right, well, we're going to test fire it up as soon as I get this last screw in, and just make sure that our repair takes. You know, because we don't know for sure if it's the screen or not, right?
Yeah. Hey! Look at that.
All right. Well, we'll go ahead and turn her off. And oh, duh! don't put that on camera. All right. We'll put this thing back together, and then we'll connect to the Wi-Fi, and then we'll download. So the second part of this video is we're going to download DaVinci Resolve, and so that we can start editing some video with this computer.
Oh, that's satisfying taking the cover off.
All right. Let's see if we can just get this thing to snap right back into place. Any lock. This one right here. There we go.
She's looking good.
All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on the way out, and we'll see you next time.